For my head.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Why am I breaking my neck? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're back, if you're new here, hey, how you doing? On today's video, I basically did this braidless crochet hairstyle. Yeah, I just did it literally like 10 minutes ago or something, and it was so quick and it was so easy, and all I needed was some packs of hair and a crochet pin and some hair gel. So it's not a lot. It's not a lot at all. So yeah, if you want to know more, stick around and watch me do this cute little updo. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of the video, guys. So to start off with, you need clean wet hair or damp hair and hair gel. So I just combed my hair out as it was still damp, and I put hair gel all around the perimeter of my hair and then tied it up really tight. Then the next step is to make sure that the bun at the top of your head is really small. You want it to be as small as you can possibly get it. So because my hair is quite thin, I don't really have to work too hard to get there. But for you guys, it might be a completely different story. So try and get it as small as you can. Then I done my baby hairs, tied the hair up in a head wrap so that the hair gel dries in place. And then I put on my makeup. Okay, the hair that I'm going to use for the crochet is by African Collection, and it is in the colour T1B/27, and it's their Jamaican bounce style. I'm scared. What if it don't look good, guys? So now on to actually how you crochet the hair in place. To start off with, you're going to need a crochet pin, and what you do with the pin is you just put it through into the hair, then attach the hair onto the pin, onto the hook, just like so, and then close the latch on the hook and pull that hair through. Oh Lord. Gone and broken the stick. No. Oh my gosh. Why is my life like this? Seriously. And to secure it, you need to open up the hair on the loop and then put the other end that hasn't come through into that loop and then pull it. I don't know if that explanation was useful, but it's the best way I know how to explain it. So the aim basically is to make sure that you go all the way around the bun first, so that you can cover up the bun and all the areas that you don't want people to know about, you know, because you don't want people to see the bun. So you're trying to get it as close to the bun as humanly possible. This is good, isn't it? We like this, don't we? I think I'm gonna put some on the bun as well, just in case the wind blows. I'm not trying to get exposed. I don't think putting it on the bun is necessary if your bun is really tiny, but if it's a bit bigger, then I feel like, yeah, you should try and put at least some on there so that, you know, the colors are kind of blending in place. So after putting a few in, I thought I might as well just check the thickness so that I'm not adding unnecessary hair. So I kind of split the individual strands so that they kind of thicken up a little bit, so I can see literally like how much volume I have and how much more to add. So when I had a general idea, I went back into the bun and added some more on top, just so it's kind of covered a bit more. And then I fluffed it back up to see the volume, and I was satisfied with what I saw. So I tried to flip it over to the side, you know, just to swing, because I see a lot of people, like, I swear, a lot of people in like Atlanta, like their hair like on the side like this. Am I wrong? Am I wrong, guys? Am I wrong? I think I'm right. But yeah, I just wanted to try it. It's an idea. You could try this for yourself. I think I've seen a few people do it, and it's really, really cute. So if you like it like that, I think you should definitely give it a go. And now you know an easy way to get there without hiring out a hairdresser or whatever. Okay? Do it for yourselves, guys. So So this was cute and all, but because my heart was so set on having a high puffy little situation, I just had to do it. So yeah, I went back in. I don't know what I was doing there, please don't mind me. But yeah, I went back in, I cut the hair so that it wasn't so long, because you kind of no, so I had to just chop it down a little bit, get it to the right length. And because I was chopping it down, it also rose up so that it was a better puff right at the top of my head. So that is literally it, guys. That's all you have to do to get like your hair crocheted. You don't have to hire somebody. You don't have to have somebody cornrow your hair down. You can do it yourself. So go on. I found out about this way too late, but better late than never. We are so here for these earrings. These on my skin tone. Oh! I love my hair like this. Or maybe I just love my hair up. So it doesn't really matter what hairstyle it's in. I still love it. I love it. I love it. So that's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.